and welcome to our website Fish and Catch. This is our homepage. As you scroll down our homepage, you can already see that we have some products available. You have the possibility to slide the images in order to see all the products. As you click on one of the products, you will be redirected to another page which is dedicated to the product. As you scroll down, you will have a detailed description of the product. Also, you have the price. You can choose the color of the product in accordance to your preferences and select the quantity. Afterwards, you can add the product to the cart. Next page is the shop page. You can see all the products available on the website, and if you select one of them, you are going to see the exact same thing that I already told you about. The next page is the About page and gives a short description of our business. It's followed with a page that's related to frequently asked questions. Next page is our community page, and this is a page that is dedicated to our customers in order to share their experience with our products. Next, here we have our contact page where you can ask questions, followed by a subscribe page where you can sign up to be part of Fish and Catch community. Last page on the website is cookie usage policy. Also, if you go and press on the Fish and Catch button, you will be redirected to the home page. In the down of the page, you will see that you have links to be redirected to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Also, this is an easier way to get in contact with us. Thank you. This is our website.